When driving in winter weather, it's important to have the right equipment. In certain parts of the country, it might even be required to have chains on your vehicle. This short video will walk you through the chaining process. If you have any questions about acquiring chains or maintenance of them, see your terminal or refer to the driver's handbook. Let's start with getting out the chains. Chains tend to want to stick together. Pull your chains apart and inspect them for any damage. Lay out your chains and make sure the hooks are facing up. When you lay the chain on the tire, you want the chain hooks facing out and not touching the tire. All the tensioners on your chain should be open. Once your chain is laid out and ready, begin draping it over the tire. Hang half the chain on each side of the tire. Make sure again the chain hooks are facing out and all tensioners are open. Now connect the chain by hooks on either end. The inside hook will be a little bit more difficult. Links are important. You want the same number of links on the inside and the outside, so the chains roll correctly. To avoid an imbalance in your chain, count the number of links. In this case, there are 2 links on the inside and the outside. Move your cab forward so it's easier to tighten your chains. Use your cam tool and rotate the tensioner on the chain. A good rule of thumb is to get 1 or 2 fingers between the tire and the chain. The chain needs to be able to rotate around the tire. You don't want chains tight to the tire. You also don't want chains too loose. To take your chains off, you want your connections close to the top or where they're easy to get to. Let the chains drop and pull the truck off the chain and store them securely. Make sure you have a full set of chains before you hit the road and check with your terminal if you have any questions.